The single most important thing for progressing is the ability to ask. You have to ask in order to get. In companies today where there's so much of competition, those who ask what they want stand 80% of chances of getting what they want. So whether it's in your profession or in your personal life, asking will surely get you started on the conversation. As kids, we've always asked questions, and because we ask questions, we were able to learn from them and progress in our lives. But somewhere down the line, we get into a stage where we expect people to understand us. We expect that they will know exactly what we want, and when they do not respond the way we want them to, there is a crash in our expectations. So why not simplify this and just ask? Here are a few things that you must not do, the keys for asking. It's important that you stop assuming others as mind readers. We often assume that our bosses, colleagues, our good friends, and most importantly our spouses can read our minds. Well, they cannot. Creating unreasonable expectation that others will know what you want will only end up hurting you more. So be very practical and don't assume. Don't give hints. No one is taking them. No one will ever take them. The reality is other people rarely care about your needs and desires as much as you do. So it's better to be direct and understand that hinting will never work. And neither will generic requests, which brings me to the third point. Don't be generic, which means you need to be very specific. Why is this important? Because ambiguous requests do not clearly specify what you really want. It is better to get as specific as possible so that you are clear and so is everyone else. So be specific about what you want and when you want it. And if you don't get the kind of results that you wanted, don't be a martyr of rejection. Sure, you dare to ask, and that itself is a big thing. But if you don't get what you want, you should be able to accept it instead of feeling dejected about it. Jack Canfield said that rejection doesn't mean no. It simply means not yet. Shifting your mind to handle rejection will take you a long way. Feelings of overwhelmed frustration and resentment are generally due to lack of requests. So it could be a boss with unreasonable expectation, or a colleague who's crossing over the boundaries, or in most of the cases it could be a spouse who is oblivious to the efforts that you put in on the home front. So if you find yourself wrestling with any of these emotions, chances are that you aren't asking enough of those around you. That's it from me. I hope you take art of asking seriously and follow it to get what you want, just like how I'm about to. I am asking you to please like this video, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.